welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren and today I'm going to show you how to do a DIY pressed flower frame. These are a lovely addition to any gallery wall, bookcase or great as gifts. I'm going to do it in a frame that has 2 glass sides. I got 2 of these a while ago in January, but you can get them from places like TK Maxx. Quite a few places sell them. So as long as they have glass on the front and back, then this is perfect for this DIY. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more decor projects from me. Okay, let's get started.
First thing you need is obviously some pressed flowers. You can buy pre-pressed flowers from craft stores, but I would encourage you to see what you can find in your own garden or out in the hedgerow. What I'm using today is some fern leaves I cut and pressed from my garden a few weeks ago and some grasses and flowers my mum had already pressed. I prepared these leaves a couple of weeks ago in my mum's handmade press, but you can just use some heavy books. Make sure to sandwich the leaves or flowers in between 2 sheets of clean paper before pressing. Choose flora that can be flattened easily, no large buds or flower centres, as they will still be there after you've pressed it and won't be able to be put flat in a frame. So you have your flowers or leaves and frame. Now for the fun part, making your art. Play around with the foliage to see what looks good, and once you're done, take a photo and carefully remove it. I'm using this glue to lightly fix my leaves to the frame so they don't move when I pick it up. Use small dabs on the main stem or larger leaves. Use your photo as reference to copy your design. I've decided to remove the chain that comes with the frame and am replacing it with ribbon instead. Using pliers, it was easy to take the chain off and I could tie my ribbon around the existing wire rings. I think this makes the frame a little bit softer and more whimsical. These are my final frames. I hope you enjoyed this DIY and want to try it yourself. There are many different ways to incorporate pressed flowers and leaves within photos or art. Try them on a colourful background of your choice or place as a border around your favourite photo. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.